Manhattan Renovation Reality Episode 1, The $100,000 Change Order Trap. Most renovation budgets do not collapse because of marble countertops, luxury appliances, or custom cabinetry. They collapse because of one document, the change order. Every property owner starts with a budget. Every contractor starts with a scope of work. The problem begins when those two things stop matching reality. A change order is simply a modification to the original project scope. Sometimes it is completely legitimate. Hidden plumbing issues may be discovered after demolition begins. Electrical systems may not meet current requirements. Structural conditions may require additional work before construction can move forward. Those discoveries can affect both budget and timeline, but not all change orders are created equally. Professional contractors document conditions carefully. They provide photographs. They explain what was found. They show how the issue affects the project. Most importantly, they provide pricing and obtain approval before additional work begins. Transparency protects everyone involved. Here is where projects become expensive. When change orders appear without documentation, without photographs, without a clear explanation, without written approval. If the entire explanation fits inside a short text message, there probably is not enough information to support the request. High-value renovations require high-quality communication. This is especially important in Manhattan, where renovation budgets can easily reach hundreds of thousands of pounds, and sometimes several million pounds. The cheapest proposal often becomes the most expensive project because missing scope eventually reappears as additional costs. That is why experienced owners pay close attention to the details behind every estimate. Before construction begins, ask questions. What assumptions were made? What conditions could affect pricing? How will discoveries be documented? What is the approval process for changes? The best way to control change orders is before demolition starts. Site investigations, planning, engineering reviews, coordination between architects, contractors, and consultants. The more information gathered before construction begins, the fewer surprises appear later. No renovation is perfect. Unexpected conditions can occur in any building. The goal is not eliminating every change order. The goal is eliminating unnecessary surprises. Because successful renovations are not built on assumptions. They are built on planning, documentation, accountability, and communication. If you are planning a Manhattan renovation, remember this. Every change order should tell a clear story supported by evidence. That is how professionals protect budgets, timelines, and long-term property value. This has been Manhattan Renovation Reality Episode 1, The $100,000 Change Order Trap. Follow Corniel Construction for more insights into luxury renovations, project management, and the realities of building in New York City.